I first glimpsed you on the sidewalk as I angled my car backwards into a smallish but not impossible spot on 7th Street. In my periphery, a flash of motion. Our eyes met. You held your fists in perfect isolation, giving me to understand that you were gripping an invisible steering wheel. Turn the wheel right, you mouthed, and your hands danced along to illustrate. I don't think you know how adorable you look, standing there on the sidewalk, gesticulating. I want to smush your ruddy, puffle cheeks. Just smush them, and tussle your curly, competent hair. What would I have done without your authority on this subject? What will I do wrong next without your guidance? Be my life's partner. Sail with me on this voyage as my sweet, mute summer forest, capably signaling me through all of life's narrow passages. Hey, you need help? What? Okay, I'll help. You're welcome.